So, have you ever felt like the stock market is just one big casino where only the pros can make money? But what if I told you there's another way to invest? And that too without the stress, without picking investment stocks, and without paying sky high fees. Sounds too good to be true, right? But you have one man to thank for, John Bogle, the legend who changed investing forever. Born in 1929, during the Great Depression, John Bogle knew financial hardships firsthand. But instead of shying away from money, he became obsessed with understanding it. And while studying economics at Princeton University, he had one interesting question. What if investors stopped trying to beat the market and just follow it instead? So turns out he was onto something huge. In 1974, after getting fired from a major investment firm, Bogle started his own company, Vanguard. So here where it gets interesting. In 1976, he launched the world's first ever index fund for retail investors, the Vanguard 500. And the Wall Street? Oh, they hated it. Why? Because it exposed their biggest secret, that many fund managers fail to consistently beat the market. Yet, they charged you with big fees. Bogle's index fund flipped the script. Instead of paying high fees for an actively managed fund, you could now invest in a low-cost fund that simply mirrored the S&P 500. And this changed the game forever. Because Bogle's philosophy was simple. Low cost, long-term investment beats high risk, high fee strategies. So it wasn't about making quick money. It was about growing your wealth over time. And guess what? Today, index fund manages trillions of dollars. Bogle's vision gave investors like you and me a fair shot at building wealth. So Bogle didn't just create a fund, he created a revolution. And even Warren Buffett, he himself called Bogle a hero for everyday investors. So the next time you hear about index funds, you know who is the man behind it. So if you found this video informative, do subscribe because we post these kind of videos every week. And if you want to stick around for more finance content, you can watch these.